Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get a stamp from Azure. So talk to her and select the expedition volunteer. I'm always ahead of the trend, aren't I? Leave it to me. And Azure, for this one, she's just going to give you the stamp anyways. You don't have to do anything from her. And if you go to the underwater expedition prep, here's her stamp. This one's pretty cute and very easy to do. So if you don't want to work very hard for your stamp, just go to Azure because she will immediately get your stamp. Oh, sorry, give it to you. Give your stamp to you. But yeah, that is it. That's how you can get the stamp from Azure. That was very quick to say the least. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.